Right, steering wheel, 1998 Mercedes-Benz SL500. It's a little worn out, and so I've decided that I'm gonna refurbish it. But in the meanwhile, how about we install that baby? So the first thing I did was center the steering wheel. You're gonna need a 30 millimeter, 3-inch Torx like this. But let me get that in there. And then you do the other side. There we go. And so now the assembly is loose. I'm going to put the steering wheel back and now disconnect the battery. All right, put that panel there so there's no contact whatsoever. Next one, just press down on the little clip here, comes right out. And let's see this one here. This one just pulls out. So the brown one has a little press tab in it. And the airbag is out. So what I got here is a breaker bar with a 1/2 inch to 3/8 inch reducer. And I guarantee you what you want to do is have absolute perfect square leverage on this. You do not want to strip that bolt. You strip that bolt, you're in a world of trouble. And that looks pretty good. You see that? I can see the mark on the inside where the shaft is at. Let's see if we can't get this baby out. Go like that. Carefully remove the wires. Here's the steering wheel. Like that. Get the bolt back in. There we go. 80 Newton meter. Oh boy. All right. Reconnect the airbag. This last one here. Align this back up like that. I tell you, that's absolutely tedious having to turn it with this thing, but it's on. Let's take a look at it. Oh, Jesus. All right. Oh, that's great. There it is. Done. We're in business. How it's supposed to feel.
right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel?